2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, security alarm, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.